Yeah, that's right. You know who I am. But do you know where I'm going? Probably not. One of my favorite rivers on the island here. Got a little chubby. Got my 6-weight. Stay tuned. Well, I hope you all enjoyed that. I was at the Marble River. I caught like 6-7 fish. Lost a lot too. Red seemed to be the color today, so yeah, let's go enjoy the day. And if you need a car, give me a shout. And as always, Ginger Sales Guy, man. Make sure you like, follow, and share. Take care, everybody.